This is question 10 from exercise 3.1 in text and test 4 new edition. We have to find the area of the shaded section ABCD from our diagram on the right, which is created by an angle of rotation of pi over 4 radians about the center O. And we've given our answer in terms of pi. So whenever we're given shapes like this, where it's like an incomplete version of a full shape, in this case it's an incomplete version of a full sector, we just got to think about what the area of the whole sector would be if we hadn't removed this white section down here at the end. And then we got to take that small section away from that. So in other words, we're going to get the area of the sector OBC and take away from that the area of the sector OAD. And we should get the area of the shaded region that's left behind. So the area of the large sector, the whole thing, we're going to use this formula over here. It's 1/2 r squared theta, where theta is the angle in radians at the center. The large sector has a radius of 8 because it's the radius of 2 plus 6, so it's got a radius of 8. So the area of that is going to be 1/2 by 8 squared by, and then pi over 4. And then we're going to take away from that the area of the small sector, which has a radius of 2. And so it's going to be 1/2 2 squared times pi over 4, because the pi over 4 doesn't change. So when we do this out, 8 squared is 64, but 2 times 4 is 8, so in other words, we're just going to end up with 8 pi over here for this. And then from that, 1/2 by 2 squared is just going to be 2, so it's 2 times pi over 4, which just leaves us with pi over 2. So it's 8 pi minus pi over 2. In other words, it's 8 minus 1/2, so we end up with 7.5 pi, which you can leave it as that, or it is 15 pi over 2. And that's the area of the shaded sector that's left over once we do our sum out. And that is that.